Yeah. Yeah.
Is this chocolate?
Roll ball, I'll do it. Yes.
Cheers.
Yes. No, what is Uncle trying to do, man? Oh, Uncle is trying to make a shelter. Amu, where are you going?
We're going picnic.
Oh, and then what are you eating today?
Pasta.
Yay! Say hi, Uncle.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, Samu.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to walk.
What?
I'm going to.
It's very
There's a river on here.
Yeah, okay.
Why is it black? Why is it brown?
Oh, because of the leaves. You know, the leaves all fell down, and the leaves is turning, decomposing and turning the water brown. Okay, so
Sedimentation, okay?
you excited for a picnic? Are you going to find a good place for us?
Yes.
What is your question? What do you want to ask?
Why is orange here?
Orange, okay. Why is the river orange? Dad, what do you have to say? Why is the river orange?
No. It is orange because trees, branches, leaves falling down, and they decompose and then release their biodegradable elements, which makes the water orange.
And like black.
What is the expectation today, Mara?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
But you just ate momo in the house before we came here.
That was a few hours ago.
Okay. Those are just
Why is the water black?
help in irrigation.
Why is the water black?
Okay, forest irrigation.
Why
Right?
is the water black?
Samu, why are you asking so many questions, man?
Why is the water black?
Oh,
Why is the water black?
I think it is releasing some, what do you call, petroleum product as well. Looks like.
You joined cricket club, Baba.
Yeah, had a match. Hello, what's again? Cricket match. Simon, we found a new cricket ground.
I want to practice cricket.
You want to practice cricket?
It's called the North Ridge.
North Ridge jacket. Quick review this. यो चाहिँ नि पक्का बाक्लो छ हैन. The good thing is you have a inner pocket, and when you put your hand inside the pocket,
Yeah.
you feel so warm. You putting
I've got
your gloves on.
Yeah.
It feels 5 out of 5.
Okay.
Very good.
That's what I say. You are recommending this for your viewers, huh?
Yes.
Well, what about your? What do you say anything about your outfit?
I got this from Outdoors for a present for Baba's birthday.
Oh, no, it was your Christmas gift.
It was my Christmas gift from Baba.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
So, do you recommend to Uncle's viewers?
Yeah. Buy it.
Okay, good. 5 out of 5.
4.
Cantonment टुरमा चाहिँ स्पेसिफिकली फर हैन साइक्लिस्ट अनि रनरहरू घोडा हर्स राइडरहरूको लागि हो अनि हामीलाई चाहिँ एउटा गुड स्पोर्ट फाइन्ड गर्न चाहिँ अलिक गाह्रै हुन्छ जस्तो छ सो वी आर गोइङ अन व्हाइट सीड प्लान्टेसन वी आर गोइङ टु फाइन्ड अ भेरी गुड स्पॉट फर पिकनिक एन्ड देन वी आर गोइङ टु सिट डाउन एन्ड इन्जॉय हैन
So that's the plan, this, huh? Okay.
It's a big mushroom.
Oh, capture this, huh? What is this? This, huh? Khani hogi this, huh?
No!
Dead free, huh?
नो इटिङ हैन
Gurung family dead.
Big mushroom.
Capture ko dost.
क्याट्रिकमा हैन 2008 मा रिक्रुट ट्रेनिङ को मेमोरिजहरु झलझल आयो जस्तो
यस्तो हार्बर बनाएर हैन आदर्श सेन्ट्री बसेर हैन फेरि क्रलिङ गरेकै छ फेरि हैन हार्बर गरे परे यस्तो हो नि त यार
यसमा कति हिँड्यो पहिला
यस्तोमा त होइन गर्ने
So those are we have got Samin's friend Steve with us.
Okay, Steve, okay.
Samin.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Well, this यो त यस्तो लोक होइन यस्तो यो झाडीहरू होइन यो के अरे रिजलाइनहरू होइन यो के अरे यो बुसहरू के रिमाइन्ड्स अफ केट्रिक यार कस्तो यार
Is it a dog or horse or cow poo poo?
It's a horse poo-poo.
Oh. Next time चाहिँ नि पन्चु सन्चु ल्याएर होइन दस म्याटहरू ल्याएर त्यसमा ल्याएर बसाउनु पर्यो The water.
These are crocodiles.
Oh, this is crocodile.
It's going down in the ocean.
Guys, if you find any good spot, let us know, yeah? We'll stop.
Okay. Hello. Is this a
Keep recording, man. Before we sit down, we need to find something to put on top of this. अलिकति वेट छ नि सो त्यहाँबाट त्योबाट सानो यो बुसहरू हुन्छ नि त्यो कलेक्ट गरेर ल्याउने है हामीले
Yeah, put here.
so that we can see.
Yeah. Look at that. Where?
nature's trees?
Well done, Samu. Wow, this man is so smart, man.
I want to rest.
Now, come on. I'm so far. You're so far. Look at that. यस्तो गरेर अनि you are sitting here.
Who knew this could be nature's seats? Uncle, I want picnic.
Second, Samu.
You want picnic?
Oh, we don't have picnic mat. We have this bush. Okay, Samu, you will sit here.
mat?
We don't have mat. Our mat is this natural leaves. Okay, okay, Samu.
Yes.
Okay, sit here. So, put a jacket there. Okay, leave here. Sit here.
No, guys, ready for pizza?
Yeah.
Look, guys.
So yellow.
Okay, this egg and pasta.
Well done, dost.
Yeah, oh, I got the water.
Papa, you want to watch the bottle?
That much.
I like this.
Sorry, भाइ दा त्यस्तै पत्ता ल्याएर न मैले
I like yours.
दोस्रो बिना दोस्रो चाहिँ नि अब उसको चिया रेडी हुँदैछ होइन दोस्त
हजुर दोस्त आज अलि भाडा
कपमै हुन्छ नि चिया त हामी बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ ल भलिहाल्यो नि त होइन भुरेर Samu, you like it? Myra.
I like it.
Yeah, okay. We still got some more, okay, guys?
Mama, you want to watch that?
Water, okay, okay. हामीलाई त्यो उसको रकम चियाको लागि रकम अनि यिनीहरूलाई You want more?
After this, can I have a muffin?
Yeah.
I have
त्यो फिनिस गरेपछि मफिन त फेरि त्यो फिनिस गरेपछि मात्र पाउँछ नि हेरी Oh, sorry.
Sorry, Samu.
See again, Sora.
I want picnic mat.
Oh, sorry, Sora. I didn't bring picnic mat this time. We'll get it next time, okay?
Hey, पानी दुम्नु त भयो
Right.
यो अन्त पानी त हैन बाबा
हुन्छ म अब मफिन दिने सम्म मफिन ओके ल अब ल आफू सबैलाई एकैचोटि दिन्छु है मफिन है कोही चढ्के ल मफिन
Take the most chocolate off it.
Yeah.
Is this chocolate?
So I mean, yeah, that's a chocolate. दोस्रो म चाहिँ एउटा शेयरिङ है त है.
हुन्छ त सायद तोरी छैन
ओभरअल बोल्दा त ड्याडीहरुको नि त.
रबर ब्यान्ड जस्तो लाग्यो
यो हुन्छ तरिका त. पानी हाल्छ नि त. अलिकति रोल बोल हाल्दै त.
आमामामा
Okay, after summer.
खाइसु त सिधै गयो त यार
सक्यो हैन त.
चाँडो म त यो त नि हैन दबाई नि यार औषधि नि त
त्यो प्याकेजिङ देखाइदियो त कहाँ आएको हो के.
यो चाहिँ बुनेको माल दोस्त बुनेमा चाहिँ ताङ्गतली हेजलनट लिइसकेको दोस्त बुनेबाट जस्ट टोली गएको बेला मगाउने हो दोस्त
ओके ल यो उसबाट कपबाट चाहिँ किन यसमा गयो दोस्त.
के दोस्त यो स्टिलमा त यही तताको भएर दोस्त अब यसलाई मुखमा हालेर त मुखमा टच्चा दोस्त होइन त्यही भएर यस्तो कपमा दोस्त इन्डियन स्टाइलमा कि
ल
सुरुप सुरुप अब दोस्त चेस चेस है दोस्त
यस ल दामी दामी
जाडोमा त यो त
चिसोमा है एकछिन बस्छ गाइस एकछिन बस्छ न उयो अङ्कल एन्ड Samu, this is a big river.
Yeah.
Do you see any fish here? Can you see any fish here?
I'm going to the place the rock crocodile needs.
What is uncle trying to do, man? Oh, uncle is trying to make a shelter.
Dive in the water.
Breeze बनाउन लाग्यो त.
What? What? What?
ल अङ्कलले टेस्ट गर्छ है पहिला अनि बल्ल.
गाइस लुक एट द man-made bridge okay No.
How is it not breaking?
Hold uncle hand.
Slowly up. Slowly.
Good. Samu has a girl. Oh, uncle gonna hold you. Uncle gonna hold you. It's okay.
Hold my hand.
ल.
Hold my hand.
Never mind.
Obstacle crossing delay भयो त नि त.
Slowly, yeah.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well done, man.
Can I hold this?
Okay. From there, I think you need to now jump. 1,
Jump,
2, 3, jump.
jump.
Ah, yeah. Well done.
Bro!
ल समी This man carrying. What is this?
This is my stick horse.
Okay. Someone tell me what is that?
It's a horse.
Ah.
It's a horse footprint.
Yeah. Hot
Car
Track.
trail.
car. Oh, car trail one.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Gone!
Samu, what are you doing? Samu, what are you doing? Oh, okay, Samu.
I'm going
Samu, run.
Actually, we are just about 5-10 minutes away from the parking. We got the parking and we're gonna head back.
How was the picnic?
Fantastic. It was a good day out.
Huh?
Good day out. And it reminded us of our old days.
You guys very small when Samin, Myra and Scarlett very small. We didn't have luxury of Chinese mom, so yeah. Something. Yeah. Maybe pizza, yeah. Yeah.